Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Gemini. We are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Gemini. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy, so if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, Gemini. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr, so you can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies. Today we have King of Water, Messenger of Air, and King of Fire. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are a person, you are someone assessing your circumstances with clarity, because you are a person with a lot of experience and you are wise, you have a great knowledge. And today you are changing yourself, or you are trying to change yourself. So that may be in your relationship. Maybe you are a very good person, a kind hearted soul, ready to help others, and you are someone compassionate, listening and caring for the people around you. So you work with people well, you have great communication skills, and you respect everyone. You respect your friends, respect your family, and you listen to their ideas, suggestions, and then make your own decisions. And you are someone making a harmonious, balanced circumstance for yourself in this love or in your career. And you are a very kind person. So no matter what difficulty you see in your life in this relationship, you try to be really kind, gentle, friendly with this person you love. And that is the reason this person loves you. And maybe today, maybe this person has something to tell you. Maybe they are worried about something, something is influencing them or affecting them, and this person sees you as an inspiration, sees you as a positive inspiration, but they love you, but they have something to tell you. Maybe they may not like your opinions or ideas. They may have a different way of dealing things. Maybe the reason maybe they are not over their past. Maybe past is holding them back. And because today maybe they feel that if they are very complacent with you, you will make use of this circumstance and you will try to impose your ideas on them. So they are thinking they love you, but still they cannot give up their way of doing things or their decisions or ideals. So this person is reacting because of their past, and past is still fresh on their mind. That is the reason they are behaving this way with you, Gemini. So we will see what is the card for your relationship. It's 5 of water. So maybe this person is trying to change, and if you want a positive relationship with this person, you need to forgive them for all their mistakes, whatever they are doing today. Maybe they are thinking of their past and they are making some choices that is not going to work in the right way, because present is something different from what happened. So we must just take the learning from whatever experiences we have in life. And this may be the time for forgiveness. So if you truly love this person, you need to forgive them, or they need to forgive you. So it may be your energy or their energy towards this love. So we will see what is the card for your career circumstance. 2 of water. So there is some kind of a collaboration, partnership coming in your life, something taking you towards greater opportunities and success, Gemini. So that is the reading for you all today, Gemini. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, today we have 2 cards. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few minutes, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will keep this card aside for those who chose this card. The Sea Maiden. Promises. So in our life, maybe in our circumstances, if we have made some promises, those promises must be kept, otherwise we will be faced with more difficult circumstance, something we cannot handle. So this is the card reminding us to keep our end of the bargain. Maybe if we tell someone that we will do something, we must do it. And if we request help from someone, when that person requests help back, we must be able to help them back. That is what this card is about. And maybe you are quite restless about something. You are searching for an answer, or you are searching for a way to come out of some circumstance. And today you will find the right thing to do, the right answer, what needs to be done. But you must be ready to give up something on your part, sacrifice something on your part to get that answer. And today these circumstances are here to make changes in you. There are some changes happening today, happening in your life. And you must honor your words, whatever you tell. Maybe you make promises to people close to you, people you love. You must make promises only if you are able to keep those promises. And these promises must not be used to get something out of that person. Use something use it as something selfishly. So when you keep your end of the bargain, things are going to work out well. But if you break the promises you made, it's going to land you in difficulty. So that is the energy here. And this card also suggests that your restlessness is going to come to an end. You're going to find an answer. And whatever is your destiny, though you will be making a lot of efforts, you may go through a lot of pain, but whatever you need to go through, you will come out of it successfully. That is what this card is about. Maybe the path may be quite difficult, but you are definitely going to come out of your you will survive your destiny. That is what this card is about. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, it says milk and honey. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your relationship, if you are open to a new relationship, you are going to find someone good, find someone a person who is going to open up a very passionate romantic time with you, and you are going to have a great time with this person. Beautiful understanding, love and compatibility. Or maybe if you are already in a connection, this card suggests that there is a greater intimacy, harmony and a beautiful understanding flowering in this connection. And you will feel really grateful to be in this love, to be with this person. And this card stands for gratitude, that happiness and satisfaction. The same way in your career, whatever choices you make, whatever choices you are making today, it is going to lead you towards greater success, abundance, and you are going to embrace your destiny, and whatever opportunities you are going towards, all that opportunities are going to give you a sweet taste of the success you are going to experience in your life today. So that is what this card is about. This card is about happiness, prosperity, abundance and opportunities, and trust in your circumstances, trusting in your destiny, that all your needs will be met. So that is the energy here, that is the reading with these cards. Thank you guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.